Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find customer service on the Happy Color application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the lower bar, and you click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the home screen. Here you can find two sections, the gameplay and the general. Click to the general section, and here you can find the third option, the contact us. Click that, and you can select the Gmail or Outlook or any other email application, and you can write an email for the customer service. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.